Hello, hello. So today we are going to make this fun Dollar Tree frame pom-pom wreath. If you need instructions on how to make your pom-poms, that video is below. We did those about a week ago with some tulle, and it's the same concept with yarn. The next two slides will show you exactly what to look for when you're looking for your bunny frame, along with the multi-pack of yarn so that you don't have to buy an individual large package of yarn to get your pastel colors. Those links are all posted below, so let's get started on how you make this one. Hello, hello. So today we are making the cute Dollar Tree frame pom-pom wreath. Super, super easy to make. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to find the frame, but we're going to move forward because you never know, you might be able to get it. And what you're going to do is you're going to take off all the tinsel. And all you have to do is start, there's these little nubs on here, and I cut mine off, but you're going to take your tinsel and you're just going to flip it off of here and here and here, and it will start to unwind. And this is what it looks like when you're done. And then what I did was I cut off all those nubs, because what you're going to find out is when you put your pom-pom in here, you don't want them to be too big, but you don't want them to be too small. And if you don't cut those little nubs off, you're going to see them sticking out on the sides. Okay, so what I did was I used this pom-pom maker. Okay, and if you haven't seen the video, I do have one posted. I posted it below. I did it with tulle instead, but you can do the exact same thing with pom-poms. And I used the smallest one, which is this aqua, and then I used this one here. So I'll show you the two size pom-poms I made, and I will tell you what size they come out with in case you use a different pom-pom maker. Okay, so this one here is for these, and this is the bottom portion. So the pink one, like this, is for the bottom portion, and this one here is this one here. So what we're going to do is we're going to measure these. So this pom-pom comes out to be about 2 inches. So the smaller ones are about 2 inches, and the larger ones come out to be about 2.5 inches. So 2.5 and 2 inches are our sizes. Now, if you go bigger on your pom-pom, you may lose the shape of the head and the body, so you got to be a little careful. And the same thing with the ears. If you go too big, you're not going to be able to really take shape of the actual wreath. So I made it so that it fit. So I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pom-poms for the bottom. And then I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 pom-poms for here. And then I have 4 each. And all we're going to do is we're going to glue these inside. Now the frame goes this way. You can see that it's bubbled out a little bit. The frame goes this way. I did it this way so that they can sit into the little groove. So do you see the little groove here? And this is how they're going to sit right inside there. Okay? And when you stand it up, you're not even going to see the back of the frame. Okay? So they nestle inside here. If you do it this way, you can see, you're going to see the frame. You're not going to be able to tell what's going on. Okay? So all we're going to do is we're going to start at the top, and we are going to start gluing these in. So I will show you, because I have all my pom-poms ready. Okay? So I have my hot glue gun. And I am just going to start gluing these inside here. So it's real quick and easy. Don't need a lot of glue. Okay. This is a really fun and easy wreath. And then when I'm completely done is when I'm going to, oops, wanted to kind of keep them uniform here. I want to put the pink in here. So let's see. I got blue, yellow, purple, pink, aqua, yellow. Oh, I have a green too. So at least it doesn't dry quickly. Just make sure that and you're going to fluff them out. So just watch your hands when you're gluing, because that one had a lot of glue on it, so it dripped. Okay. And I pulled it. Ah. Okay, so now we're going back to purple. So it's purple, pink, aqua, yellow, green, pink, or purple I should say. Well, there I have enough. So I'm going to take my pink one, and I think I'm gonna, no, I can't do that. I gotta put it there. Okay, so here's the problem. If you glue it down and you're not close enough, just move things over a bit. Okay, so that's all you are doing is gluing them in there. Okay, so we already have the bottom portion done. And as you can see, I stuck a few to the table. So you got to watch the back side of this when you're doing this. Okay, so there's the back side. And I'm going to trim it once I'm completely done. So here we have our base of the wreath already done. The most time-consuming thing is actually making the pom-poms. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to start the head part. And again, all I'm going to do is glue these in here. Okay. And this part here, I don't really have any rhyme or reason. I just wanted the bottom portion of it to be a little bit more even. Okay. Okay, so we are just finishing up. Let's see here. Okay, we could put a green one. Aqua. And I use the pastel colors. And at the beginning of the video, you saw the package of colored pom-poms that I purchased on Amazon, and they were perfect because they gave me the variety of color I needed without having to purchase the big thing of yarn. Okay, so again, I have a glass table so I can clean this off. So you might want to make sure you put something down that it may stick to, because of course, as I showed you in the beginning, the frame here, it's going to stick, the glue, and all you have to do is peel this off. It comes right off of like a glass table. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to finish this off here, but I kind of want to make sure that when I put these in, again, my colors are a little mixed up. So one, let's see, two, that's how easy this is to do. And then all we're going to do is we're going to trim it up when we're done, and that is how easy this wreath was to make. Okay, just nestled it in there. So I have a purple. I'm going to put the purple at the top here, and that's all I'm doing is gluing these in there. That's all you have to do. Okay, so we got that all done. So you can see how quick that part is. This part is really, really quick to do. So there is our bunny wreath. And this is actually, if you notice in the beginning, this was the bow that was on the Dollar Tree, and I just kept it because I thought it was kind of cute. I'm just going to glue this on to the center here. So I hot glued that to, oops, make sure you press down and it dries. Okay, and again, watch your fingers with the hot glue. So my hot glue has got these little strings. Okay, and then I'm just going to take this little green pom-pom and we're going to put it right there. And that is all you have to do to make this really fun, cute Dollar Tree pom-pom wreath.
Here we go.
Okay, so again, that's how easy it was to make this. All you have to do is get your Dollar Tree bunny frame, take off the tinsel, again, by popping it off the little nubs. You want to cut off these little nubs. I just did it with a pair of scissors. It was super duper quick. Or you can get the little snips they use, the little plastic snips for either wire or other things, and it's really, really super simple. You want to cut those off on the inside, the outside, and of course the ears as well. It has the hanger on the back, so you don't have to do anything with that. That's already there. And again, the links are below for your yarn and for your pom-pom makers. I put 2 different types down in case you don't like working with this one here. And until I see all of you again, happy crafting!